Hi everyone, welcome to Communicative Arabic. My name is Sohail and today we're gonna learn verb form 10. You may have noticed that we skipped over verb form 9, and the reason for that is that this verb form is not very useful and it doesn't come up that often. So we're gonna skip it and move straight to verb form 10, which is the last verb form we're gonna need for this course. Now let's open the PDF file for this lesson and go to table 1 for the past tense of verb form 10. As always, we're gonna read the verb first, then do the music for it, and then move on to the next verb. Let's start. استخدم إيآآ استيقظ إيآآ استمتع إيآآ. And now all of them in a row. استخدم استيقظ استمتع. Now let's go to table 2 for the present tense. Let's start. يستخدم آآئ يستيقظ آآئ يستمتع آآئ. And now all of them in a row. يستخدم يستيقظ يستمتع. Now let's go to table 3 for the past tense and the present tense together. Let's start. استخدم يستخدم استيقظ يستيقظ استمتع يستمتع. So that's verb form 10. Congratulations! Now you know all the verb forms we need for this course. Now let's move on to the sample sentences. Number 1. He woke up early. هو استيقظ مبكرا. Number 2. He always wakes up early. هو دائما يستيقظ مبكرا. Number 3. He used the computer for 7 hours. هو استخدم الكمبيوتر 7 ساعات. Number 4. He uses the computer every day. هو يستخدم الكمبيوتر كل يوم. Number 5. He enjoyed his time at the party. هو استمتع بوقته في الحفلة. Number 6. He enjoys Arabic music. هو يستمتع بالموسيقى العربية. Number 7. He woke up early and went to work. هو استيقظ مبكرا وذهب إلى العمل. Number 8. He wakes up early and eats breakfast. هو يستيقظ مبكرا ويتناول الفطور. Number 9. He used my cell phone. هو استخدم هاتفي. Number 10. He woke up late and went to work late. هو استيقظ متأخرا وذهب إلى العمل متأخرا. Number 11. He uses the internet every day. هو يستخدم الإنترنت كل يوم. Number 12. He enjoyed the nice weather. هو استمتع بالطقس الجيد. Number 13. Why did he wake up late? لماذا هو استيقظ متأخرا? And number 14. He enjoys Turkish food. هو يستمتع بالطعام التركي. Alright, that's it for today's lesson. Once again, congratulations learning all the verb forms. That's a huge part of the Arabic grammar. And if you're already comfortable with the verb forms, then you're one step closer to mastering Arabic. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments about the lesson, leave them down below in the comment section and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.